Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about using templates in BrainLeaf. A template is a pre-built set of pages, features, processors, or documentation for a project. And they often have times, costs, tags, and images associated with them. Really what this means is that if you have particular things that you do over and over, say a contact page or a services page or a login page or a forgot your password process, you can template this section and then reuse all the information you already wrote up for one project in other projects as well. So there's so many things that we do that are totally standardized in this area that this system is super helpful when building scope documents. So what can you do? You can speed up your scoping process, you can ensure your times are consistent, and you can provide consistency in design and development as well. If you're always building similar kinds of things and you write them up the same way, it's a lot easier for designers and developers to go through and build those things. And what can you do with your templates? You can also sell faster and accurately and quickly scope your projects. And I also put the note here that your templates, you can save your own templates with times, costs, images, and tags. So let's take a look at BrainLeaf and start a new project with a template. So here we go. This is our BrainLeaf dashboard. I'm going to click on New Project. And I'm going to say, Templates, Project, and Templates, Demo. I'm not going to put in a project description, but I am going to choose the new client as the client here. And now BrainLeaf is going ahead and loading up a new scope document for us. Here we go. So from here, I can either click on See Templates, or I can click on this Templates button right here, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And I'm going to find our boilerplate templates. So in this case, this is a small business website, template-based design. And it's also, I happen to know because I wrote this template, that it's also a WordPress template. So I'm going to pull it in, or it's a WordPress website, not like a theme, just the website will be WordPress. So here you can see it loads in all this documentation, totals 53.6 hours, $4,740. And it puts together, like, what are we doing for planning and architecture, concept design. In this case, it's templates. We're just picking a template. There's no picking a theme. There's no design process on this. And then it goes through all the different widgets that are going to go into this. The different plugins that are going to go into it. And then all the way down to the home page, all the different sections, subsections, etc. And from here, this gives me a good starting point for most small business websites. So let's say that I wanted to come in and add to this a timeline with a horizontal scroll. So like a fancy page with a horizontal scroll in there. I can just grab this and I'm going to put it within the company page. And now I've got my timeline listed right in there. And I can just come in here, not turn it off, turn it on, and open it up. And this is a pretty fancy timeline. It does all sorts of things. We planned this out for another project a while ago. But that's as easy as it is to drop a new template into this. And you can see all my hours are in there already. And I can just, if I want to show the client with and without, once I've dropped it in, I can just turn it off and it takes us right back to where we were. Or I can say, or we could just say, put this in phase 2. Oh, this is how much to turn it back on. And then as usual, I can just come back in and delete it. That's the basics of using templates for building scope documents. You can add all your own pages, all your own features, all your own processes, whatever you want to the My Templates area. Or you can go to the BrainLeaf templates and load in the templates that we have pre-built for you. There's a lot more templates in the BrainLeaf area than what I've got loaded in here, but I just had these in here to show you how to use the system. And that's how to use templates to build your scope documents. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.